Hey folks, for you guys that have a state inspection and it failed because they said that the OBD system is not ready. Okay, they give you a whole list of things that are not ready. Like over here, it tells you the fuel system is not ready, the cat converter is not ready. These are not unsupported. These are ready. And there's another couple not ready here: EGR system and oxygen sensor. Okay, so instead of going back every week or so, because sometimes it takes almost a month for it to clear, because you have to do a lot of driving on and off, driving short runs, long runs. Okay, the computer needs to know that it's okay after somebody fixed it or changed the battery. All right, because when you reset the computer wants to make sure that you didn't trick it into not fixing it by disconnecting the battery power and resetting it. All right, so like I said, sometimes it takes up to a month, if not longer. But in order to check it before you go back to DMV, you got to get a scanner. And with a scanner, you can put it into I am Readiness. Okay, and you're going to check right here. This one says fuel system. Right here, fuel system is okay. So that one is good. So the next one that is not ready is the catalytic converters. Come over here, and there's two of them. There's the catalyst monitor is okay, and in this particular model is not applicable is the heated catalyst monitor. All right, so the next one that's not supported, that is not ready, is the oxygen sensors over here in the corner. So that will be the next page. So let's turn this, and there it is right there. Oxygen sensor monitor is okay. Oxygen sensor heater monitor is okay. All right, and the last one that says it's not ready is the EGR systems. And over here it says the EGR system is okay. All right, so this is ready to go back for inspection and pass. All right, so best thing to do is to get a scanner after you've been driving it for a while and see if it's good to go. All right, otherwise you're going to keep going back and forth, and they're just going to reject you again. Look at this one. This one told her to go back and reflash the computer. Really? That's not what it is, people. All right, it's the readiness. It has nothing to do with anything else, because everything else passes. So yeah, these are the inspectors that are inspecting your cars, people. Think about that. All right, thanks for watching.